Let's start with something super cute. Take a small square paper, fold it carefully, and in just a few simple steps, you've got an adorable corner bookmark. Add funny eyes or a happy face to make reading even more fun. How cute is that? Now let's fold a beautiful 5-point paper star. Make neat folds, one by one. Don't rush. Fold it carefully. Every fold brings the star to life. Once you open and shape it, look at those sharp, perfect points. Fold it carefully. And that's it! It's amazing that a single sheet of paper can turn into such a lovely decoration. Make a few more and decorate your room or gifts. Need a tiny gift box? Fold all 4 sides inward, tuck the flaps neatly. Fold it carefully. Easy. Useful and so satisfying. And that's it! And there it is, a simple little paper box that's perfect for candy, jewellery, tiny notes or surprise gifts. Time to make an elegant paper bow. Fold each side carefully. Shape the loops. Then bring everything together in the centre. Wow! Doesn't it look beautiful? Fold it carefully. Stick it on gift boxes, greeting cards, notebooks, or DIY decorations. It instantly makes everything look extra special. Let's create a funny little paper fly. Just a few folds. Flip it over. Fold it carefully. Ha ha ha! Look at that silly little face! Kids absolutely love making these tiny paper insects. And add 2 big googly eyes. And they're so quick to finish. Here's a sweet surprise for someone you love. Fold the paper into a beautiful heart and hide a tiny message inside. Fold it carefully. It's like sending love in the cutest little envelope. Perfect for friends, family, or someone special. Now let's make a beautiful origami heart. Fold carefully. Keep the edges nice and straight. And slowly shape the heart. Isn't that lovely? Which origami craft was your favourite? Tell me in the comments! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun and easy paper crafts. And that's it! You can decorate cards, journals, gift boxes, or simply keep it as a little handmade memory. And finally, a delicious paper ice cream. Fold the cone, shape the scoop, then decorate it with colourful sprinkles. So bright, so cheerful, and absolutely adorable!